Alrighty. Ford Ranger 1998, Ablecraft here, otherwise known as the learning vehicle. Alrighty. So this is the bumper, front bumper, with the plastic dip removed. Alright, I cleaned it up a little bit. And I will show you. I have 3 levels, I would say, of degreasing a bumper, getting it ready for anything. Let it be paint, primer, or whatever you're going to throw on there. If I'm going to really need to get at it, first thing I'll throw on some Dawn dish soap. Dawn dish soap, throw it on a microfiber cloth, and wipe it down. Put that soap in some water. Then I'll go ahead and throw on some bug and tar remover. Take a microfiber cloth and wipe the whole thing down again. And then if I really want to, then my last thing is spray away glass cleaner. I'll spray it all down. Take another microfiber cloth. Now I'll get off any other residue of grease. If I'm feeling that the bumper is already clean, I'll just use spray glass cleaner. You know, it's ammonia free. Get it at Walmart or any of those auto stores, and that usually gets up a lot of the grease and residue. I've already done all that and already prepped it, so I'm just going to get on into what I want to get to, is using this turtle wax chrome and polish rust remover. Alright, so I'm going to put it on with an applicator. And I'm sure you guys have done this a million times. My ways here at Ablecraft is this. I don't believe that I have the way. Okay? This is a way of doing anything. I just, so it's more of I'm just going to show you a way of doing something. So therefore it is not the way. Alright? That's not my point. It's just a way of doing something. If you guys have something better of doing it, hey, tell the world. Tell everybody. I found out some things that work for me, and I figured out a couple of things, and part of these videos probably is not even as much as an instructional, even though it could be. I'm just showing what I'm doing over down here. Alright? And I seem to get results most of the time. So in this case, I'm just dapping it in here at this applicator. Okay. I'm just gonna do that like so. Let it sit up to a haze, which will take me about a minute or something. Throw on my iPro. And in this case, I have a 7-inch Orbital polisher. Weehaw! Has like all these speeds on it. I put it on like speed 1, and nice and slow. And I just go ahead like so and kind of polish it in like this. Okay. Get it all up in the nook and cranny. Alright, gotta turn it up a little bit. There you go. Yeah. And I roll it down the line. Oh yeah. Tools make things fast and fun. Now you can do this obviously by hand, but I like speed. At least I've been finding that speed is fun. Alright, you probably can't see that, so let me turn the camera roller this way a little bit, unlock it. Oop, there goes my polisher. Turn it this way. Hopefully you're going to pick that up there on the old camera. We'll use this here. Oh yeah. Yeah. And voila, just like that. And there we have it. Front side done. I'll spin you back around this way. So you see, lock you in. And then you can come back through with another clean pad and hit up anything that you missed. And there you go. With the hand tool. You're just about done. Now I don't plan to enter this into any car shows anytime soon, so I think I'm happy with what the results I have. And I'll show you what I got. That metal scraper, I think it's a 5-in-1 or an 8-in-1. Did not, as I was saying earlier in video number 1, didn't leave any real scrape marks. It just loosened up, roughed up that plastic dip with their PB blaster on there, just a little bit on the top. And then I did a better method with that PB blaster on there. I just smeared it in with a gloved hand, and it really nicely came off. But all right, the next step is I'm going to use a blacker and a trim to get this stuff back to black. So that'll be another video. But this time I just want to show you this real quick. I'll take you off the old stand, but really, I'm going to show you here. That's really what you got, right? Okay? And that's just, like I said, 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes of me talking. Alright, and there you go. So hey, a little polisher, a little microfiber towel, a couple degreasers, and you too can remove some plastic dip and at the same time polish the chrome on your bumper. Alrighty, like I always say, you guys keep on doing it. If I can do it, you guys can do it better. You take care now. I'll see you on the next one.